A couple of days ago, I did a deep dive into the actual analog circuits of original 808 drum machines, and one of the most fascinating things to me was how they synthesized the hi-hat sounds. So obviously I had to try to recreate those circuits with a Serum 2 patch. The original circuit uses 6 detuned square oscillators to generate a metallic noise sound, and the mix of those oscillators is going into a resonant bandpass filter to shape the color of the sound before going into an amplifier. In my patch, I'm using all 3 oscillators, each with a unison of 3, which gives me a total of 9 oscillators, and in my opinion this sounds a lot better and more modern than only 6 oscillators. I disabled the pitch tracking for all 3 oscillators and I tuned them to roughly 300, 500 and 800 Hz. By the way, I'm using 3 different custom wavetables that I generated using ChatGPT, but you can also just use the basic square wavetable for this. As you can see here, I set the detune range to 6 and I put the knob to roughly 50% for all 3 oscillators. This gives me this nice and classic detuned, noisy and metallic texture, which is then going into this resonant bandpass filter to further shape the sound. To finish things off, I added 2 very soft low and high pass filters, and I'm modulating both the low and the bandpass frequency with this very snappy volume envelope. And this is how the patch sounds. I did add a few macros, and most notably the option to blend in some white noise in addition to the square oscillators, which gives it a more modern sound.